Woo! Oh! Honey!
Yeah?
It hurts! Oh no! Oh man! Honey, it hurts!
What does?
My eye!
What happened?
Oh! Honey, make it stop! Make it stop!
Did you cut up the hot pepper and touch your eye?
Yeah! But it was freaking 5 minutes later! Oh, so you get the camera! Ow, my eye!
I was recording Russell.
It's from the pepper! Ow!
The hot pepper's in the crock pot.
Honey, make it stop!
Put milk on it.
No, I'm not putting milk in my eye.
Put an ice pack on it. Honey.
And stop!
Oh, that was perfect.